Welcome to our Punch Needle Masterclass, unveiling the art of Pakistani embroidery. Today, we will delve into the captivating world of punch needlework in Pakistan. Pakistani embroidery is renowned for its intricate designs and vibrant colors. One of the techniques that completely mesmerizes and captivates the eye is punch needlework. This ancient form of embroidery involves creating loops of thread with a special tool called a punch needle. First, let's talk about the materials you'll need. Grab some fabric, a wooden embroidery hoop, embroidery thread, and of course, a punch needle. Start by stretching your fabric tightly into the embroidery hoop. This will ensure a smooth and even surface for your work. Now, choose your desired design and transfer it onto the fabric. This can be done by tracing or using a stencil. Take your punch needle and thread it with the embroidery floss. Make sure to choose colors that bring your design to life. Gently punch the needle through the fabric, pulling it all the way out, and repeating the process to create loops. This technique allows you to easily fill in large areas with beautiful textures and patterns. Keep in mind that the length and tightness of the loops will determine the overall effect of your design. Once you've mastered the basic technique, feel free to experiment with different stitches, colors, and thread thickness to create unique and personalized designs. Punch needle